Google Authenticator and Authy are two of the most popular apps for two-factor authentication, or 2FA, which adds an extra layer of security to your online accounts. Both apps generate time-based codes that you enter alongside your regular password, but there are key differences between them that can make one more suited to your needs than the other. Whether you're an individual looking to secure your personal accounts or a professional managing business security, understanding the strengths of each app is important. Let's start with Google Authenticator. It's simple, reliable, and widely adopted. Google Authenticator generates 2FA codes based on the TOTP, time-based one-time password protocol, which means the codes change every 30 seconds. When you set it up, it links to your accounts by scanning QR codes or entering a secret key. Once that's done, you'll see a constantly updating list of your accounts with the corresponding codes. One of the main strengths of Google Authenticator is its simplicity. There's no extra fluff, just quick, straightforward access to the codes you need. It's easy to use, and it's available for both iOS and Android devices. Because it's a very lightweight app, it doesn't take up much space on your phone and doesn't require an account to get started. However, Google Authenticator has some limitations. If you lose your phone or if it gets wiped or damaged, there is no easy way to recover your codes. Now let's take a look at Authy. Authy is also built on the TOTP protocol and functions very similarly to Google Authenticator, but it offers additional features that make it more versatile and user-friendly for some people. One of the main advantages of Authy is its cloud backup feature. When you set up your 2FA accounts, Authy can securely back up your data to the cloud, which makes recovering your codes much easier if you lose your phone or switch devices. In addition to cloud backup, Authy offers multi-device support. This means you can install Authy on multiple devices, your phone, tablet, desktop, etc., and all your 2FA codes will be synchronized across them. If you need access to your codes on a device that's not your primary phone, Authy gives you the flexibility to do that. Authy also provides additional security features like PIN protection and fingerprint authentication, which adds an extra layer of security to the app itself. Both apps are free to use, and both offer the core functionality of generating 2FA codes. It really comes down to personal preference and your needs. If you value simplicity and don't mind manual setup if something goes wrong, Google Authenticator is a great choice. But if you want a more feature-packed solution with cloud backup, multi-device support, and extra security options, Authy could be a better fit. In the end, both apps are excellent at what they do, providing an extra layer of protection for your online accounts. The decision is about whether you want simplicity or extra features. Either way, enabling 2FA is an essential step towards securing your digital life.